If you use Salesforce every day, whether you're an admin, developer, or just getting started, your org's health directly impacts performance, security, and productivity. In this video, I'll walk you through a quick and reliable way to check your Salesforce org health using the built-in health check tool. It only takes a few minutes, and by the end, you'll know exactly where your org stands and what needs attention. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Salesforce login page. If you don't have it bookmarked, just search Salesforce login and click the official link. In the top right corner, you'll see the login option. Click it, then choose the standard Salesforce login from the list. Enter your username and password, and if you use multi-factor authentication, complete that step before moving on. Once you're in your Salesforce dashboard, look again to the top right corner and click the Quick Settings icon. This opens up a panel where you can access configuration options for your organization. From here, select Open Advanced Setup. This takes you into the full setup environment, where most administrative tools are located. On the left side of the setup page, you'll see a quick find search bar. In that box, type Health. Salesforce will immediately filter the results and show you the Health Check option. Click it to open the Health Check dashboard. This page gives you an at-a-glance view of your organization's current security and configuration status. You'll see scores, settings grouped by risk level, and any areas where your org might not align with best practices. It highlights vulnerabilities, configuration gaps, and security recommendations so you can take action before issues grow into real problems. From here, you can drill into individual settings, note anything marked as critical or high risk, and take steps to update your configurations. Even if everything looks healthy, running a quick check like this on a regular basis is one of the easiest ways to keep your Salesforce environment running smoothly and securely, and that's the full process. A handful of clicks gives you powerful insight into the health of your Salesforce org. No extra tools required. If you found this guide useful, make sure to stick around for more Salesforce tips and walkthroughs. Like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and I'll catch you in the upcoming tutorial.